I don't want to record this video no more. And not because my makeup looked bad, I literally just started, but it's like, I'm just gonna show you guys what I use. So concealer, hydrating camo concealer satin finish from elf. Also use their camo concealer matte. So I use both chestnut, and then this is tan walnut. So I do 1, 2, right, I do a little bit here. I was looking for affection. I do a 1, 2. This is the new that I'm adding in my routine, is doing like the nose, because I have finally I have contour, and then I do. I don't like using this. Going with my matte one, and then I go. I'm gonna go around because I do have discoloration, I do have hyperpigmentation. Like I said, it's all about the technique. And then I go 1, 2, 3. So that's basically what I do for my face. With concealer, foundation, I use. This is all Drugstore, y'all. This is all Drugstore, by the way. I think they're all of it is Drugstore, shoot. Then I go on with my Fit Me, Dewy and Smooth. And I love Dewy because I do suffer from dry skin. So Dewy is just the best to go, best way to go. And I just go in with 1, few, I'm gonna do 2.
I don't like too much coverage because my skin isn't that bad.
So alright. So we got that. Closing this because I'm not using it. I don't need that much. I'm gonna do contour. And one thing I want to get is the liquid blush. I want to get the Rare Me. So anyone wants to give me a gift, definitely give me that. For contour, I go in with the Fit Me. The Fit Me concealer in what color is this? Cocoa 60. And I basically contour around here. I go within a line. So I'll go in another line, right, and I'm going from and then usually because I have a really strong cheekbone, I don't really like using contour on my face, and that's really where I stop. But I'll go back in with contour later on some place that I think I would like it. It don't matter. I don't really feel the type of way. And obviously, I just want to show you this really quickly because I don't want to do this on camera. Really, like, I could blend on camera, like whatever, but you guys are not really gonna see it. But I do. My friend put me on to the Banana Deep Revolution. I do have Fit Me setting powder, but this is like baking powder to give like that UK look. And I'm gonna show you guys later. So I'm gonna set this off camera. I'm gonna like blend everything off camera. Well actually, ooh, y'all, I forgot. I definitely go in with this matte one in the middle. Okay, so this is before, but yeah, I'll be back with my face all done, and then I'm gonna come back on camera to put on my setting powder and all that good stuff. So yeah.
This shit ain't regular rich, so they end up in a ditch.
They ain't regular rich, so they end up in a ditch. Regular bitch, so when they can see me, they ain't regular bitch.
Hold on, Nikki. so they end up in a ditch. Then regular rich, so they end up in a ditch. Regular, so when they come see, they jump on my dick. Ah! Wait, hold on.
They jump on my regular bitch. So they end up in a ditch. I'm not a regular bitch, so when they come see me, they jump on my dick.
This shit ain't regular rich, so they end up in a ditch. I'm not a regular bitch, so when niggas see me, they jump on my dick.
Wait, I messed up. That was so good, but I messed up. Anyways, I'm gonna just hold it like this. Y'all saw me struggling to do this TikTok. Let me show y'all. I ate it up. But like, which one? Y'all can't really tell me. I'm gonna show y'all which one I choose at the end. But which one, y'all? Look.
This shit ain't regular rich, so they end up in a ditch. I'm not a regular bitch, so when niggas see me, they jump on my dick. This shit ain't regular.
That's the first
rich.
one. This is the second one.
This shit ain't regular rich, so they end up in a ditch. I'm not a regular bitch, so when niggas see me, they jump on my dick. This shit ain't regular rich.
Anyways, stay tuned. I'm so sick of it. Final phase. I'm gonna be applying my Milani lip gloss. And I applied a lip liner, the same lip liner, which is the eyeliner that I'm using, that I use for my brows. So this is how it looks, y'all. I'm obsessed with how it came out. Let me know what this gives, what this reminds you of. Maybe I can go in for a pinkish for my lip a little bit. Pink in the middle. Now it gives, y'all. It's giving a low-key Y2K. I didn't eat. Ah! Y'all not talk. Yo, wait, because I accidentally beat my face again. Ah! Y'all, no one's doing my makeup. Hold on, I gotta pick up the camera. I have to pick up my camera because I can't formulate how bad of a UK bite it's giving right now. And the bob is bobbing. So I'm gonna change my outfit because I do have a fit that would go with this look. So hold on, y'all. It's officially dark outside. I got that gear on. I just realized, if I'm being honest with myself, my bangs are so freaking oily. I actually don't care. Cause I still look good. Y'all see the fit. Y'all already see the fit. Y'all see what's going on. Ooh, ow. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see. Y'all, this blush is everything. I was like, let me put some more blush. This is my sister got me this blush Marlowe, whatever. But anyways, y'all.